We are now in the Gatun Lake and heading to the Chagres River. As you can see, we got our boat behind us. And this is what's around us. Pretty cool.
To the rainforest.
Oh Lord. Our journey continues in the rainforest. We are coming upon visitors. Hello. It's really cool. Like it changes. Now we're on the rocky part. The waterfall. Alright. So we get out of our boat and now we're heading to the waterfall. And it looks like we've got to climb up some stuff. That's what they're doing. This is really, really cool. Alright, here we go. We're still on our trek to the waterfall. It's an adventure. So we made it to the waterfall. Absolutely beautiful. We're in the Chagres National Park. Went down the Chagres River. Here's our awesome guide. There's Joe. And here we go, back in the water. We are under a waterfall.
In the Amazon or in the rainforest?
In the rainforest. Oh my God. Waterfall in the rainforest. Yeah, under the waterfall. TLC said don't go chasing waterfalls. And I'm right in front of one. Woo! So I went inside of that waterfall. The water was pounding. I freaked out. But once I was in there, it was awesome. As you can see, it's very powerful. But right here is very calm. So, oh God, there's somebody over here and he's about to jump, so I need to record. Hold on.